Mercedes even have a lead over Marshal Balbo's flag. The German cars become legendary. They are easily the fastest, and yet they have never been seen before and are never to race again. Lang wins the Tripoli Grand Prix for the third time. Lang has a two-stage blower on his 3-litre Mercedes and laps the Nürburgring faster than ever before to win the Eiffel Renault. He is on his way to become this year's European champion. Moreover, when it rains for the Belgian Grand Prix, he is to beat Caracciola, who crashes. It is a grey and treacherous day, and a heartbroken Lang will win, or Dick Seaman crashed to his death. The 1939 German Grand Prix is also held on a drizzling wet day. It is Lang diving in front with von Brakic on his tail. Swastikas fly in the heavy air and the Graf Zeppelin circles overhead, looking down on the last German Grand Prix for more than a decade. The race is done with mechanical testing. Lang finds his engine rust and Nuvolari also has to. It is, however, a fitting end, for it is Caracciola who once again takes the lead, perhaps the greatest of all the Titans. For the 6th time, Caracciola wins the German Grand Prix on a Mercedes. His last victory on the Nürburgring, and indeed in any major international race. It is, however, a fitting end, for it is Caracciola who once again takes the lead, perhaps the greatest of all the Titans. For the 6th time, Caracciola wins the German Grand Prix on a Mercedes.